Hey guys, welcome back to No Russia's the Loud. I'm playing with three of my mates from last two games. I'm playing Nature's Prophet all off lane with Silencer. So let's see how that goes. I'll try to push the lane early on. Let's maybe get some things going on. Says take farm and then he takes farm himself. That's okay. To micromanage this a bit better. Nicely done. Let's start chipping away at the tower. Nice. I'm not worried about that. With Silencer around, they can't really kill me that easily. Let's see, what do they have? Techi, Zeus, Razor. I haven't played Nature's Prophet off lane ever. So we shall see how this goes. I'll try to push it, get our tower.
Thank you.
Yeah, wanted to avoid that. That's okay.
First blood.
And fuck, he suicided. He must expect that early.
All good, as expected. No! Fucking hell. Having some hard time last hitting. It's not fun at all. I think I'm going to skip Midas. Usually I go Midas. Maybe. We shall see how the farm goes. Oh shit. Big advantage with Nature's Prophet is his attack range. You can harass other people with it, and that's why he is viable offlaner. Nice. But I need my boots. Without boots I can't do much. Nice. Let's harass CM a bit, see what happens. Keep harassing, Silencer, keep harassing. Oh no. Nice. Let's see. Nah. That's good. At least we forced her out of the lane, now I can push. Nah, he can't kill me. Don't know why he's trying even.
My thanks to thee.
Nice. Oh, what the fuck? How did he miss? Ah, he did not miss. He... Back. He had his thing going on. Let's get one more auto attack. I'm going to TP. Actually, I need one creep. And then I'm going to TP home and then by TP scroll get back right into the fray. Let's see how that goes. I haven't been able to push a lane quite a bit. But that's okay, because I had only level 1 treants. Currently we are harassing them pretty well, but Silencer needs to start denying. Good, got my TP. Let's go. Treants are not good for harassment because they do almost no damage at all. But considering we are talking about Crystal Maiden,
Haha, don't worry about it. I'm just quelling bladed to a point where I can buy stuff, don't worry.
Middle is missing.
nice. No! Why did he go for it? I usually go when I'm jungling Midas first, but this game I'm not going to do so because I need some mobility in the lane.
I'm under attack.
Oh shit. Need to heal up. I'm missing too many last hits. I'm panicking, to be honest. Nice, now I can push tower.
Middle is missing. Pull roots and run.
Nice, die, die, die.
Careful on
Nice.
me, if Razor is here, we're a bit fucked.
I need my bottle and then reuse the courier, please. Hold on.
Good,
Okay.
we got the kill. We got the kill. Can start
Reuse.
chipping away at the tower. Not much, but still. Any damage is good at this point in time. Am I right or am I right?
Razor's going mid again.
I'll just take a cut.
Good thing is that you can TP back into the fight as much as you want.
Yeah, just found him.
I'm going to use it, obviously. My Midas is a lot delayed, but that's okay. I was expecting that. It's good because it will give me a lot of chance late game. We have anti-mage late game, they have Spectre and Razor. Zeus is going to get nasty. And that's okay. I'll figure something out. Let's push some more tower.
Your middle tower is
Would
under
she use
attack.
that? Fucking hell, stop last hitting.
Your bottom tower is under attack.
Nice one. Let's go. Nice, now I can harass them as fuck. Okay, got it in 14 seconds, then we'll get the tower.
Oh well, that'll do. Those mines are gone now anyway. I don't think there'd be very many because he's been AFK.
Nice. Let's go.
and after them.
And again missing last hits.
Okay, I almost got my blink dagger.
Nice, man. I'm just chilling and farming down here. It's going quite well, so...
Yeah, same for me.
Nice.
The enemy's top tower has fallen.
We got
Okay, gonna gank now.
we got the tower. We got the tower, we can go push. Sorry if
Yeah,
I'm a
having
bit
good time.
concentrated
The
while
connection's
talking.
well
It's
good.
always a problem of mine when I do so. I don't know why. When I'm concentrated on one thing in game and then my translation goes off, I don't know what I wanted to say. It's very annoying to listen, I know. I apologize because of that. Usually when I'm concentrated I can do some stuff. Talk normally and play.
Okay, about 3 more minutes and I have my Battle Fury. I was going to
Nice.
go Vanguard, but then decided against it.
Want me to go bottom to push the tower?
Once I got my Battle Fury, do that, dude.
Okay.
But I just
Yeah,
need,
let him
I need
get
it to be
it
safe
first, yeah.
to be farmed for a while. What's that?
Let him get his items first.
Nice. Nice. Well, as expected, Silencer died. Not much you can do about that.
I do need a support down here though, because they're starting to harass me quite heavily.
With me.
Now take it.
And Techies is mining next to our creep camp, be careful.
The seeds of fortune.
Mines right there.
Let's get the second tower. Nice.
The enemy's middle tower has fallen.
I'm doing my thing with the push
That flow.
tactic. It's working really well so far.
Right, I'm gonna come top now. Let's kill maybe Spectra.
I'm going to go back to
Be
base.
careful, dude. Mines.
I'm going to TP top as well. Just a second. Going to buy one more TP scroll.
I can smell a Zeus ulti coming pretty soon.
I'm going to use this first. Nice. Did he get him? Ah, it's... Oh, he's dead. What the fuck with the silence?
Why did you silence?
Yeah, that was really bad.
Pull roots and run.
Silencer, switch lanes, mate. I'll continue push top, you help other lanes.
Killing spree.
He's just taking my farm.
A bit of green. Warriors of the wood.
Nice job, man.
Good, it's looking good so far. I can just TP if
Okay,
Razor
Battle Fury
comes.
ready. I just need to use the courier pretty soon.
I'm under attack.
I'm coming top. Nature's
There we
Prophet,
go.
hold on. Oh, you're already gone, okay.
Yeah, I can't fight him, he would kill me in an instant.
Yeah, no problem. I'm gonna kill him solo.
Let's push bottom. Nice one.
Can I get heal as well? Yeah, actually.
Got 2 wards on me, where do you want it?
Nature's way. Ah, what golden green.
This is looking good so far. I'm pressing the action and my boys are doing well at every lane. Still, it's always scary versus Spectre late game.
Dire structures are fortified.
3, 2, 1. This tower should go down. Nice.
The enemy's bottom tower has fallen.
Good, good. We're pushing like professionals. Now I'm usually building Maelstrom because of the faster attack speed and it's easier to push. Nice one. Nice one. Almost got a kill with the tree ants, and that would be funny.
Actually, easily kill me now.
Good, good. Time for me to go push top.
Under attack.
Ooh, level 9.
The enemy's
That's not
bottom
good.
tower has fallen. Your top tower is under attack.
Oh, Tiny's here. I don't want to TP there, I don't know what's there. Just going to summon tree ants.
This is what happens when I play support for too long, man. I go crazy and start carrying. Just can't handle it for too long. Makes me go mad.
Fun game. Fun game. We are kicking ass.
I'm just gonna jungle in their jungle until they pop out, and then I'll come in a team fight.
So now I have my Maelstrom. That's awesome. That's what happens when you have Midas on Nature's Prophet.
Mega kill. Very
Nice one.
limber.
Here, Campo Mano.
This is gonna be a fucking quick GG, that's all I can say.
Yeah.
Unstoppable. Very nice.
I'm good with quick GG. Well, I was hoping for a bit of a more resistance from their side.
Shit, I fucked that one right up. I thought I'd get him just with my ulti.
God damn it. Nice. Nice. They can't break my TP with anything except Crystal Maiden and Zeus. I don't know if Techis can with their... what's it called? Stun bomb, but it takes some time for that to activate. Nice. Ah, well. Next item on my list is always Orchid. With Orchid you can get some easy kills. Nice, let's push the lane.
With me.
My keyboard is not the best one. It's driving me nuts, to be honest.
Nip in the bud. Power wells up from within. Monster kill.
Nice.
Easy.
Nice.
Oh my fucking god, those techies, man. I forget they're even there.
Nice. Got it. Nice.
If we get some sentries on me or somebody,
Very
pretty
nice.
handy, just around the
Kicking
usual
ass.
spots.
Loving this. It's a bit of a stomp, but I don't have Nature Profits game on my channel, so I will stick with it. Why not, right? Not my fault that they did bad and we did good. My TP is back up in
Nice, too quick.
15 seconds, that's good. Got the first part of Orchid, it's awesome.
Oh.
Time to help my boys.
Coming.
I gotta go back, sorry guys.
Oh shit, I fucked up. Nice.
Fucking well played, man. That was nice.
Awesome. Awesome, I thought I was dead. I thought I was dead. Fucking awesome.
Got that fat tiny. Oh yeah.
Oh, Tiny is fat, alright. Yeah, this guy definitely knows how to play. One of the best players I played with.
The enemy's top tower has fallen.
Oh shit!
Oh my fucking god, I'm failing so hard. I'm getting too cocky, man.
Oof, too
Report,
close.
man. Report.
Well, get out. It's good.
The enemy's middle tower has fallen.
Let's push middle now.
Yeah, I apologise if I'm a bit more like raw than usual, but I have stopped smoking, so beware, I'm nasty.
My auto attack is pretty damn good now. Combined with my ulti, it's doing some nasty damage. So I don't have to worry about it. Especially if I proc with lightning. Can I solo Spectre? I was watching trying. Nah, I can't. Let's see. Okay, that's a kill. Nice one. Oh, Crystal Maiden wants to kill us. Nice, silence. Awesome. Perfect game. Perfect game. We kicked some nasty ass. I'm loving it. My next item is always Daedalus. That's the build I use for Nature's Prophet. That way I can solo basically whatever comes at me. If I manage to get decent damage while they're silenced with Orchid. Still have to pick up my Orchid though.
Yeah, he's mined the crap out of the front of this. Need sentries.
We'll just continue the farm.
Ah, cool.
Ah, where was he? Ah, he TP'd. Fuck it. Fuck it! I thought Tiny and myself will get to him in time. Let's push the lane.
I answer the wild's call.
Come on, I can do it.
Killing spree.
Yeah. 4, 3, 2, 1. This is a fail of mine. Nice. Well,
Not a good place to fight, guys. Get out.
it wasn't a fail in the end, but almost. Nice, we got this. It's a really easy game for us. Haven't died at all. Silencer and myself did a great job up top.
My thanks.
Awesome.
Okay, so they were there. Holy shit.
Dire structures are fortified.
I assumed you had the gem, and did you not get it? Oh, you do have the gem. How the fuck? Where were they? Ah, was it literally just...
Oh, fuck me.
You come this way.
Well, too close. Managed to get away. Dead Spectre. Oh no!
Oh my god.
Nice. He's dead. Nice. Our Tiny
time it
kicked
is?
ass.
It's 3 AM, baby.
It's really a good fucking game. No! Fuck.
Dominating. Ultra kill.
Ah, too bad. Well, the game is done. The game is done. In the end, I thought we would get it before minute 20, but as it seems, it's not going to go that way. We will still have some trouble pushing towards the Tehis. It's always pain in the ass to push at Tehis. It's a fucking pain.
Can you heal me, please?
I see my woods again.
Heal me, please.
The enemy's middle tower has fallen. Mega kill.
Ah, shit. Tanking the tower, never a good thing. But that's okay.
The enemy's top barracks has fallen.
Oh, fuck me.
The enemy's middle barracks have fallen.
Nice one. Perfect. We're doing it. I mean, we can't lose. We shouldn't be able to lose anymore. Ah! Power of Quelling Blade. No, don't know why I'm even trying.
The enemy's middle barracks have fallen.
He didn't even get his ulti up. Awesome. Just fucking awesome. Oh shit. I'm dead. That Crystal Maiden stun fucked me over. Don't know why no one went in with me. Yeah, fuck the Daedalus, let's go in and finish this. It's getting tedious. How the hell did that miss? I have to go back immediately. Fuck. We should definitely finish this. It's boring.
You go first, come on.
Yeah, I'm just kind of wanking around, to be honest. I'm not playing particularly carefully because I don't have to, that's the problem.
Dire structures are fortified.
And again, tower attacks me. Nice one. Think we can finish the last set of wrecks now. Ah! Oh, nice. Nice. 22 tiny. Fucking awesome.
Yummy.
The enemy's middle tower has fallen.
Nice. Okay, we should definitely finish this now. It's getting boring. Going to buy this and sell Midas just to get Daedalus for the last push. I won't even use Midas, fuck it. Don't need it. Very fun laning stage. Other than that, it was pretty much straightforward. It wasn't that fun at all when you stomp like this, but what the fuck, why not post this and the channel?
Bottom tower has fallen.
Not every game has to be completely epic, right? Come on already.
Light, air, and water. I have seen the world without.
Let's go. If you guys are curious what I buy after Daedalus, I buy usually Mjolnir. Nice one. Nice one. Got it.
There you go, double godlike.
Nice. Nice. Nice.
That's
Thank you
more like
guys
what
for
I was talking
watching.
about. That's that game.
Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. We raped finally one video that's not completely tense. I kinda enjoyed it. One normal game when we stomped. Thank you for oh nice. What's that? And see you guys in one of the next videos.